Guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today we've got Glossybox. This is paid for by me. I used to get PR from Glossybox, but I stopped it a few years ago. So I just have to do that disclaimer to say that I have worked for them previously, but not anymore. Just lost that bit of rubbish. Back to the normal pink box. I've just said to the kids I'm filming a video, be quiet, and obviously, yeah. In a minute, baby, mummy's just filming this and then I'll come and look at your bee garden. Good boy. It's an absolutely gorgeous day. So the kids have just got the back door open and they're all playing outside in the garden, which is lovely. Let's have a look. So again, we've got the scan thing, which I can't do because I'm on my phone because I don't know where my camera is. Spring Awakening, so we'll guess things. We've got a smoky shader brush. Let me undo this carefully. I've got a million makeup brushes. Oh, it does look like a nice one though. I don't really wear eyeshadow, to be fair. It's a Spectrum one, really nice. I may end up doing a giveaway again. ISO Clean brush cleaner. I definitely don't need this because I've got about 4 bottles of brush cleaner. This stuff is really good for like when you want to change from a dark colour to a lighter one. You literally just spritz, rub, and it makes the brushes clean. Very good. Something green. Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask, Extreme Detox Hydrator, refreshing, cooling, moisturising gel, helps soothe the skin. Apply, leave for 10 minutes and then rinse. That's nice. It's a teeny tiny one, so you'll only get one use out of that, but still nice. Oh my goodness, I definitely won't use this. This is, that writing is so badly put on there. What brand are you? Bella Pierre mineral bronzer in Starshine. That looks far too dark for me. The printing on the front is annoying me because it's really wonky. Like it doesn't look like level. It looks like it's a second or something. But Bella Pierre is a nice brand, so it's okay. And what are you? Oh, it's an eyeshadow. This is by Olac, and it's in the colour Regal. How do we open you? Again, very pretty colour, sort of bronzy, more of an autumn colour I'd say than a spring colour. Yeah, that's more of a autumn colour. I'm not going to swatch it because I am going to give this whole box away because I don't need anything in it. Very pretty, and it says it's a cream colour. I do like a cream colour eyeshadow, they're nice. Soft sponge like crease-free eyeshadow is infused with luxurious pearlescent pigments to deliver a veil of ultra-light versatile colours and a light reflective shimmer finish that lasts all day long. So that's really nice. Yeah, I'm going to give the whole box away because I don't need it and I love you guys. So I have ripped the paper, but you're just going to have to get over that. If you want to win, subscribe, like the video, leave me a comment. What do we want to know? Mika, what do we want to know from people? Come here. What do we want to know from people? We need people to do a comment so they can win the box. So what do we want to know from people? What's the question you'd like to ask? You not got a question? I don't know. If you could go anywhere on holiday, money no object, where would you go? Where's yours?
Canada.
Canada again. You loved Canada, didn't you?
It made me not sniffy.
It did make you not sniffy. She's really like hay fevery and she's very sniffy over here, but she didn't sniff at all in Canada. She loved it. I'd go to a Greek island with all the beer and all the cheese. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment your dream holiday place. If money was no object, let me know. And I will pick a winner. What date are we today? Pick a winner in a couple of weeks.
6th of not February, April.
middle of April sometime. I'll put it down below in the description box when I'm going to pick a winner. But somebody remind me, because you know what I'm like. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye. Bye.